How to fix ChatGPT login error. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix ChatGPT login error. To fix the ChatGPT login error, you could start by checking the OpenAI status page. Open any browser that you have and you go ahead and select OpenAI status page. Once you go to this section, you just tap open the link and here you could see whether there is any sort of issues or not. Next, you could also clear your browsing data. Tap the three dot and go ahead and look for delete browsing data. Make sure to delete all and that should definitely help you out. So these are some of the ways you could do. Next, what you could also do is you could also use Incognito. To use the Incognito mode, you could just tap the three dot icon and there you have a new Incognito. And you could try login and see whether that fixes your issue or not. In some cases, it could be due to the extensions or any sort of VPN that you have installed on your device, or it could also be due to your poor connectivity or your typos or errors within your credentials. So you might want to double check that, and that should definitely help you out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.